Alright guys, so I'm in the kitchen today and I got a request for a Rasta Pasta or jerk pasta, so that's what's on the menu today guys, so just stick around, let me guide you through it. And of course recipe is going to be at the end, so hit the subscribe button and enjoy.
Alright guys, so today we're making a jerk pasta, or someone call it Rasta Pasta. It's nothing but veggies guys, no meat in this one, alright? So my vegetarian fans, stick around, you're gonna love this one. Alright, this is what the veggies I'm going with. So I'm gonna start off with my homemade jerk seasoning. And there's a link in the description with my jerk wings. It's the same jerk seasoning, so you guys can check it out there. And tricolor tomatoes, red pepper, red onions, green bell pepper, rapini, spinach and broccolini. Got some butter and I got my penne right here. So we're gonna go ahead and start boiling our penne.
Alright, now that your water is boiling, we're going to go ahead and make our pasta. You add your penne, some salt, and you could add oil, but I usually add oil after when I'm cooling it down so it don't stick together. You don't have to add oil right now. So you're just going to let that boil and go ahead and prep your veggies. Alright, so now you have your red onions, your red tomato, red peppers, yellow tomatoes, spinach, garlic, green peppers, rapini. Everything is all chopped up, nice bite size and ready to go. So let's move on over to saute. Alright, get your pan ready, get some olive oil. Then you can go ahead and add the garlic, then add the red onions. And there's no specific order of adding the vegetables. I just like to add my onions and my garlic first. I think I get more flavors when you saute these first. Now I'll add everything else. Now look at that. Beautiful colors. I'm gonna add some butter. When you add in the jerk seasoning, I'm gonna do 2 spoons. You could do 1 if you don't want it too spicy, but I like spicy, so we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of jerk seasoning. And this is homemade jerk seasoning, guys. You could add pesto and leave out the jerk seasoning, or you could do olive oil. You could add Alfredo, marinara sauce. It will still be vegetarian, guys. This won't be vegan, but it still be vegetarian. Now we're going to add 8 ounces of penne to this, which will give you one nice size serving. If you want more, just add more veggies and more penne, of course. Alright, and that's almost there. Oh, this looks so good, guys. Oh, we're getting ready to plate up. I'm going to add some olive oil, and salt and pepper. Just a pinch of salt and pepper, olive oil. Alright, now we're gonna plate up. Nothing fancy. Just get the pasta in the center of the bowl. Make sure whenever you plate your dish, you make sure that your dish is centered. You don't want to plate your dish and then it's off.